Hello and welcome to SketchUp Design. Throughout this video, I'm gonna talk about basic tools and of course the units at the very beginning. Right after you download the SketchUp Pro or the free version, you will see this welcoming page. In this case, I will be using SketchUp 2018, and if you are using 2015 version, it will be fine. Before we press SketchUp button, we need to select template to start with. For that, we will click this on the right corner, so you will have all these options to choose from. We are not going to look all the options available here, but I will mention two main reasons why you should choose template before drawing. First one is we have to choose a default unit in which your SketchUp uses for measurements. It may be meters or inches depending upon your country. Secondly, we set up templates because we want to decide the starting view. It may be top or side view. In this case, I will choose second option. You can also use a standard option from this camera button to switch between views. Let's use ISO. Now before we make sketches, I would like to add some quick tools on the left side so that it is easier to pick them, and also you can add the toolbars which you are going to use frequently to save time. For that, click view, select toolbar. We have all these options. First, let's check in large tool set. So you will have this quick toolbar on the side. You can also check other options like layers, but this creates another bar. We don't want that. This reduces our drawing space, so uncheck it and press close. Let's also hide this. Now we will start with a rectangle. Select it. In the SketchUp, it is all about click and release. It's not like AutoCAD where you click and drag your cursor to draw. In this case, you can select the command, then first click on the surface, then release the cursor. Then find second point, click and release it. That's how it works for rough sketches. But if you want to specify rectangle, then select the command, first click, then you will have to enter the measurement. For example, if I want my rectangle to be 2 by 3, then I will have to type 2,3. Next, let's look how to use line tool to draw a rectangle. First, press Ctrl Z to undo all the drawing. Click line, select this edge. You can also give a unit length if you want. Then, as you can see here, when the line is a straight line, it shows in red color, and close it. Sometimes when you want to use line command, first erase this. Click line tool, make a square, follow the green line, then red line. Then you will want to close it while aligning the starting point. For that case, you will need to hold Shift key, then click the starting edge. Now release the key. From here you can add other geometries or simply close it. So for aligning such objects, you can use Shift key shortcut. Now you can press pull it to a specified height, say 3 meters. Let's add on a circle and another circle beside it. Now press pull it outwards, and this press pull it inwards. Press pull command will be active if you don't click another command, and you can even make additional changes to your rectangle by press pulling upward or downward. For the side, rotate it and press pull it. If you want to rotate objects, just press scroll button on your mouse and move your cursor. That's how we do it, up and down also. And if you press Shift key, then it changes to pan tool, so you will be able to move the object. We will explain more in the upcoming chapters. As of now, I will stop here. In the next lecture, I'm going to explain the remaining tools.